Alrighty, hey guys, this is JC Bowers. Today we are at Wabash, yay! And I'm going to be discussing culantro. Um, it's native to Mexico, Central and South America. I feel like it's really on the rise and people are going to get really, really into it. The people that do know about it are really into it. Um, I know a lady and she says that it's very scandalous. She says it's a very scandalous herb, which I love that. But I don't know how it became that, but yes, we'll go with it. And the reason that it grows well here is because it can take our heat. Our cilantro, it has the flavor exactly like cilantro. Some say even stronger, more pungent, bold, very easy for transplant. Often people say, well, sort of treat it like a lettuce in the sense that you'll sort of just continuously take off leaves. People boil them, cook them differently, but the cilantro that we have typically bolts, which means it goes to flower very early, and the culantro doesn't. And it also can act as a perennial. And I know that it sort of has the spikes, but this actually sort of helps the plant because the plant is defending itself, which I feel like the most intelligent plants are the ones that have really prepared with either thorns or certain aromas that make other things poisonous, just really seductive, scandalous. Maybe that's where it's from. But anyway, so come on by, get it, and plant on.